Hey, Yank Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. Well, today's video is brought to you by Light Bio, our sponsor for the channel. And today they supplied me with not only one box of plants, but two boxes of plants. And in here, I have the two new varieties that Light Bio is bringing to the petunia market. Now, if you didn't know why this is special, these are bioluminescent petunias. They glow in the dark. And if you don't believe me, here's a video clip to show you how they glow. All right, welcome back. Now we're going to go ahead and unbox these today, and I'm going to give you my first impressions of the new varieties. And I know there's two different styles of petunia in here, and it's not just the colors that are different. It's the growth habit. The growth habit of these petunias is supposed to be different than the one that we're used to for the last couple of years. So the standard white is more of it's a compact, it's what you would call a patio petunia. So it's low, it's compact, it's kind of matter mounding in its growth habit. In fact, that's about all the taller it gets. Now, these two varieties, one of them is supposed to be for landscaping and the other one is supposed to go good in hanging baskets. So we're going to get a chance to take a look at how they grow over the season, and I'll give you my best impression of that and kind of what my thoughts are. So let's bring you on in close. Let's take a look at what's inside those boxes, and then we'll start taking care of them. Okay, so in here is a 3-pack of the Light Bio Firefly petunias in pink and in bicolor. So I've got two different boxes here, and we're all set up to do the next care of that's going to be putting them into a nursery container. And if you haven't seen my video, I have a video all about what you do when you receive your petunias for the first time and how you transplant them. Okay, let's get this box opened up. We're going to open up both boxes and look at what's inside. There is one package, and we'll look at the materials in the box in just a moment. All right, there's package number 2. Okay, so here are our two petunias. This one is going to be the pink, and this one is going to be the bicolor. In here, they are in fairly large plugs, so that's probably almost 2 inches across there by 2.5, almost 3 inches. So they're fairly large plugs, which means they're going to have a really decent start to life. Now, we're going to go ahead and look at these individually. I'm going to try to pull this one out here because it's got some bicolor blossoms. So this is what we've got here fresh out of the package. So I haven't done any work to these. This is how you get them. You can see that you have almost a little heart shape around the blossom of the petunia. Still looks to be a smaller blossomed petunia. Leaves tell me it needs a little bit of fertilizer, but we're going to get started on that right away. So I'm going to do some care of those in another brief video, but that is what we get in one of our trays. Of course, we have a Light Bio Firefly Petunia logo. This is a glow-in-the-dark sticker. I have a video about this too. I was really super excited when I got one for the first time, but that's because I'm Gen X and I love glow-in-the-dark things in addition to stickers. Gotta love a sticker. All right, the next thing we have included in here is some Firefly nutrition. Okay, so the Firefly nutrition, this is going to be your first feeding. They do recommend to do this after about day 3. So you're going to get your plant all potted up, get it in a nice shady area at first, you know, not dark shade, but not bright sunlight to get it acclimated. And then you're going to mix all of the contents of this with 1 gallon of water. And that is going to be your watering that you do on the 3rd day. There you go. There is the blossom of the pink one. So it's kind of a deep pink to start, and then it's going to fade to a lighter pink, and it goes. This one's a little bit better shape, but we're going to get these all potted up. All right, so there you go. That's what you get in your box of your pink and your bicolor. Those are the two new varieties from Light Bio. So I would encourage you to go ahead and hop on to www.light.bio. So light.bio, that's their web address, and go ahead and order your own Firefly petunias in the new 2 colors. Now, these are bioluminescent. They're going to glow in the dark, but we want to wait until, you know, after they get that fertilizing on day 3. That's going to give them a chance to recover from shipping. And as you can see, they look a little tired from shipping. So just like you and I, when we come back from a long red-eye vacation in the middle of the night, we're going to need a couple of days to look our best. The Firefly petunias are too. And again, this is the pink and the bicolor. So we're going to get them potted up in the next video, but I thought you might enjoy a little bit of the unboxing. But wait, there's more. We forgot to do one thing. If you are new to Firefly petunias, they do include a guide that walks you through step by step how to take care of your brand new petunia. This information is also on their website. They have QR codes to link you there, but this is care instructions. There's also a card a little bit about the new two colors. So there is the pink and there is the bicolor. It tells you how the blossoms of those do change with light intensity. The more light there is with the bicolor, the less prominent some of the colorization is there. And that's kind of true with a lot of bicolors, but all that information is in there. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of the unboxing of what you're going to get in the Firefly petunia. Two new varieties, the pink and the bicolor. And we're going to do a video a little bit later on the glow, and we're going to compare it to a standard white Firefly petunia, but it's going to take a few days before our petunias are ready to show their glowy face at night. If you want to go ahead and stay tuned for the potting video, that's going to come up next. Yeah, I hope you enjoy. And as always, I would like to thank Light Bio, my channel sponsor, for supplying me with the plant material for today and for creating such a beautiful, wonderful plant that we can enjoy in our garden, not only during the daytime, but also as it glows in our garden at night. As always, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. And most of all, I hope you subscribe to our channel. If you need more information or more in-depth videos, they're also on our Patreon channel, which is also linked below. See ya.